Hey you guys, Courtney here. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to me. If this is your first time with me, thank you so much for being with me on my channel, on my video. I know you didn't have to. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, tap on the subscribe, and hit the ring ding bell for notifications, and I will support you back as always. If this is not your first time, then hey you guys, what's up? So, I have nothing to say about this eye look really, except for it was beautiful. It was so beautiful until the liner happened, and then it just, I mean, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You guys are going to have to just find out. I'm having the worst makeup day ever. Just put it that way. Just put it that way. Worst makeup day ever. And I think that's what I'm going to call this video. So if you guys want to see how I got all this going on my face and everything that's going on with me, you guys know the drill. Keep on watching and I'll be right back. I am going to do a very beautiful look today, hopefully. Hopefully. I'm going to do a very, very pretty look with a palette that I got. I have done a look with this already. I did it on a live, and it actually turned out very beautiful. And I did want to do a look / review on it, just because it's such a great palette. And it is the Lorac Shine Bright palette, and this is just a great palette. I love it. This is a new palette. This was the holiday palette from this year from Lorac, and we will look at the shadows and we'll go over that in just a minute. I do have to finish up a few things on my face, but I wanted to kind of talk with you guys for a minute because I haven't seen you guys for a while. I have been sick. I passed 3 kidney stones, and I am trying to cover up my dark circles right now, and it's not, I don't think there's anything in the world that could cover up all these circles right now, so sorry. But I have been sick, and I had the kidney stones. I didn't even know I had kidney stones. I did not know, honestly I didn't know what was wrong with me at first. I just thought that I was just sick, but couldn't find out I had kidney stones. But yes, and that happened right after New Year's. Well, basically the week after New Year's. So this is new, and I haven't filmed. So, but yeah, it's just been really crazy, and I'm sorry I have been MIA. I have been totally MIA. But kidney stones are not fun. Ugh. Yeah. They had me out, and I am still recovering because my back and everything. And then not only did that happen, but because of me, I guess, grinding my teeth so badly because I was in so much pain, I actually broke a tooth. And I'm talking funny because of it. I broke a tooth in the back, and it hurts. Like, it's actually cutting my tongue. It hurts. Now, you guys, I am a bowl full of joy and happiness. But it's okay because we're fixing to do some makeup, and makeup makes everything better, right? I'm going to do this Rodeo Drive from Ofra. It's so pretty. And another horrible thing that's happened, and this is, I know, I'm not trying to be negative, but y'all, my Artiste brush broke. The neck right here broke. And I am not a happy girl about this. So yeah, this is not a good thing because this brush is one of my favorite brushes. This is what I use to, and it looks like it might be fixed, I don't know, but this is what I use for my my Rimmel that I put on. And the reason I found out it broke is because when I went to go put on my face, boop, there goes the neck. And I don't push really hard on it or anything, so yeah, that was just a mess. So anyways, okay, so on to this beautiful palette. This is the palette. This is what it looks like on the outside. This is what it looks like on the back. It says Shine Bright, and it says Pro Eyeshadow Palette. Okay, and then on the inside, we have the sheath that it comes with, and we have a beautiful little mirror here, a very nice size mirror, actually. I really love that mirror. And here we have a brush. It comes with a brush, and the brush is actually amazing, and I love it, and it is a very nice brush. I don't know if it's a natural hair brush. I think it's synthetic, but this is what the inside of the palette looks like. You guys know that I have used it. You can tell that I have used it. Okay, so here we go. This is what the palette looks like. These are the colors. Very pretty colors. I love this teal, and then this shiny color called Atlantis, I believe. Yeah. But this is a matte, this is a shimmer. So we have 11 shimmers and 9 mattes. So that's 20. So we have 20 shades in here, and it's just a beautiful palette. So, and I love it because you can bend it back. A lot of my palettes I don't like to bend back like that, just because, I don't know, it's going to be like a book and it'll go, like I'm afraid it's going to break. So this one I do like that I can bend it back and just kind of look at it really closely. But the colors in here are just gorgeous. There's a lot of cool tones in here, and you guys know I love cool tones. So I'm just going to do a very beautiful look with this. I'm going to start off with a really light color, and I think it's either going to be this crepe color or the ecru color, which this is the crepe color or ecru color, and this is the crepe color here. So yeah, I think we're just going to get down to business and start this look. So I will put this in fast forward. I'll show you what I'm doing as I'm doing it, as always. I'm telling you one thing right now, that smoked plum color, oh my goodness, that really dark color that I put on the outside, it is so pigmented. I love it. Beautiful color, this smoked plum right here. So we used crepe, we put that down for a base, then I went over it with this dusty mauve and the haze color, and then I went in with the smoked plum color, and this smoked plum color right here is very deceiving. It doesn't like it would be that pigmented, but I mean, you barely touch it and you just get this beautiful smoked plum color, and it's a good color. And then I went in with some of the fizz color in the middle, because that has a little bit of like a purpley shift to it. And then I went in with the vanilla, which is that light color. I was going to go in with the icicle gray, but I thought that would be too much, So I just went in with the vanilla and went on the inner corner and decided to use that for inner corner highlight as well. So I think it turned out beautiful, and I love this. Oh, and I used the primrose, this pink, to kind of put in the corners here and kind of lighten this up on the inside. And I put a little bit underneath the eye. And then all the colors that I used up here, I did bring them down below under the eye, just to give like a really nice smoky effect. Not too much, not too little, just a really good smoky effect. I do want to go in with this with the crepe color that I started with, and I do want to kind of bring this back up into here a little more, because I do like the way that that looks with the contrast as far as like that plum color goes. And you wouldn't think it's as plum as it is, but it really is. I mean, it doesn't look plum on my hand, but I'm telling you, it is plum. It is definitely plum. And then when I brought in that purple haze color with it, it just made it really good, because I was able to use a lighter color to kind of diffuse it. So I just like the way it turned out. So I'm going to go ahead and put on my liner for you guys. And as far as this palette goes, it definitely gets my stamp of approval. I love it. I think it's gorgeous. The brush inside, I used it for the pink color, because I always forget that I have brushes. Like, I'm not used to having a brush in the Lorac palette. So I love the palette. I think it's gorgeous. And I'm going to go ahead and put on some liner. And I'm going to do some lashes. Yes, I said I'm going to do some lashes. And I will come back when I get ready to put on my lashes. I'm going to find those lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys. So I do not want to talk about what just happened with my liner. We're not even going to discuss it. We're just going to say everything went good. Everything went fine. Courtney's good. Not really. So the lashes that I'm going to use today, I'm going to put this in fast forward because it takes me forever. These are the AOA lashes, and these are in Carolina, and they're the black ones, and they're the wispies, and it says 100% natural hair. I don't know if that is or not, but we're going to use these, and I'm going to roll this in fast forward, and we're going to get this done. So here we go. Alright, so let me tell you guys what happened. This is why I am so funny about my eyeliner. Okay, so and when I use it, I waited too long to put my eyeliner on. That's the problem. So when I have a formula and I don't use it for a while, and I go to put it on my eyes, as anybody knows, when you go to put it on the inner corner of your eyes, a lot of time you have some bleeding. Okay, you know, I'm sitting here trying to, you know, do my normal little tricks and tips and stuff like that to get that to not happen. Okay, as far as the bleeding on the inner corner. So I did that, and when I did that, I accidentally went too far in. And when I went too far in, this whole entire section right here turned black. It did. It turned black. And then I went to go do my wing, and when I went to go do my wing, it started bleeding out on my wing. And it was crazy because that's the first time I have ever had that problem happen with the liner that I was using, which was a combination of this liner, the LA Splash liner, which is a waterproof liner, which surprised me, and a Kat Von D, the tattoo liner, trooper liner. So it's very strange. And I was like, okay, what is going on right now? I'm just kind of blending my lashes here. This was like, I need to put on some wispies, because at least the wispies will kind of cover up, you know, some of the damage that I did, right? So anyways, yeah, so that happened, and that's why my liner looks so crazy right now. My wing is all jacked up. Yeah, it doesn't look great. So so anyways, onto lip, and so I could just give you guys, get y'all out of y'all's misery right now. So I decided, and this may be a huge mistake too. So I decided I was going to use this ColourPop lippy sticks, and this is in the color Too Sexy, and it does have a purple tint to it. So I figured I'd use this for a liner, because I have a really beautiful NYX lingerie lippy that I want to try. So I'm going to do this. Okay, I need some gloss. Yes, that balances things out a little bit. I think the moral of the story here is, like, when you're doing something and you got an idea in your head of what you want it to be and what you want it to look like, and it doesn't end up looking like that, just make it work somehow. Do what you gotta do to make it work, because I mean, all in all, I don't think that this looks too horrible. I think it could be worse. If I would left it the way it was and had all the black in the corner and all this stuff, I think it'd have been worse. But all in all, it really doesn't look that bad. So, you know, I really did have to. I didn't want to do my inner waterline with black. I didn't want to do that. That wasn't my plan. But I had to, because I was kind of trying to bring attention away from the mistakes that were made up in this corner here. And you can still definitely see them. But it's just more shiny than it was before. So, yeah, it's just one of those things, y'all. It's just one of those things. It's just one of those things. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really do. I enjoyed making it, even though I fudged up everything that I was doing. It's okay, but I really did enjoy making it. I'm just not having a good day. I'm not having a good week. I'm not having a good beginning of the year. This right here upsets me. It hurts my feelings so bad. But it'll be okay. But hey, at least my lashes went on right. Isn't that great? So I hope you guys did enjoy the video, and I'm sorry that I've been like rambling and all this stuff's going wrong with me, but I hope you did get something out of it, and I hope you did enjoy it. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up, tap into subscribe, and hit the ring bell for notifications, and I will support you back. You know I will. As always, I love you guys, but I will not argue with you, and I will see you guys on my next video. Leave comments. Let me know how crazy I am. Please, just say you're crazy, so I don't just think it, and just, you know, just let me know the truth. I love you guys. Bye.